Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm with Moss Nissan, and today I'm going to show you the power liftgate features on the Nissan Murano. There are several ways to activate your power liftgate on the Nissan Murano and other Nissan products, one of which is going to be on your Intelligent Key FOB located right here towards the bottom above the alarm signal. Press and hold this button. Your vehicle will then communicate with your key fob and open up your tailgate. The second option is going to be here inside the vehicle within the driver's side. Right to the left of the steering column, you're going to see the power liftgate button here. Pressing and holding this button is going to open your tailgate as well. Another way to access your liftgate is via the Intelligent Key. Now, you may already be familiar that there are buttons on the doors that allow you to lock and unlock your vehicle. Now, there is also one located right here on the handle of the tailgate itself. Pressing the middle, just with one touch, will open the tailgate for you as well. Another feature your Nissan might be equipped with is the motion-activated liftgate. Imagine yourself at the grocery store with your kids or carrying a heavy box and you need an extra hand. One swift kick right underneath the center of the bumper will open up the power liftgate option in the back. Another great feature that your vehicle is equipped with is the option to determine a predetermined height to open the liftgate at. Imagine you're in your garage, you have a little bit of a low clearance, and you know that if you open that all the way, it's going to hit. The last thing you need to worry about is repairing a garage door or your vehicle. All you'll do is press the button to adjust to the position that you want it to be in. Press the button again to stop it. We decided that this is the height we want the liftgate to open at. We're going to press and hold this button until we've heard 2 consecutive beeps. Now we know that it has programmed it into its memory to open at this predetermined height. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut the tailgate for you. One swift kick for the motion activated liftgate. And the liftgate opens to the predetermined